How to become a VIP in the office using the VIP model: visibility, image, and performance. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. This time, we will talk about how to speed up our career progression using a model called VIP: visibility, image, and performance. So, if you want to quickly become a VIP in your office, use this VIP model. Let's start from the last initial. P stands for performance. Performance is basic, very basic. Performance is just the ticket to the game. Everyone is expected to deliver performance. So, performance alone is not enough to accelerate your career progression. Next, the initial V for visibility. No matter how good you are performing, if you are not visible, nobody will know that you are a strong performer. Therefore, you must dare to become a visible leader. Step up. Be courageous to speak up, to stand up. How to do that? Use your strong performance as a tool to increase your visibility. If you have just reached your KPI target, share it with your team. Share it publicly, especially share it with the key stakeholders who hold the key to your career progression. Make sure that you attend big meetings and conferences, such as team building or year-end conferences. In those big meetings, be courageous to speak up. Take the microphone, ask questions, share your opinions. Do not just sit down and watch. From my experience, it is not easy at all, but it is important. Be courageous to speak up. This is where you can increase your visibility. Another way is to expand networking, but make sure that your networking is targeted, directed. Network to the key stakeholders, the one who is going to make decisions on your career. Use your strong performance as the basis to get support from the key stakeholders. Ask them to be your mentor. Ask them to be your career sponsor. Image, perception, equity. What do you stand for in the heart and minds of your organization? What is image? In short, what do people talk about you behind your back? What are you usually gossiped about? If you are not joining your team lunch, what do they talk about you? Like it or not, unfortunately, that is the reality. If you are a manager, what is your image? Are you a caring one or a killing one? Are you a type of leader who only focus on results? Or are you a nurturing boss, the one who builds organization? What is your image among your team? Are you an easy person to work with? Or are you a difficult person that is so hard to be collaborate with? Image is usually built either consciously or unconsciously through our habits and behaviors. Habits and behaviors that are repeated again and again will become our image. To know what your image is, usually it is not that straightforward. Nobody will tell you openly what your image is. You need to seek out. So, how do you know what is your image in your organization? Ask for feedback or input from the people you trust, your sponsor, your mentor. If you are a manager, ask your direct report through an anonymous survey. If your image is generally positive, great. You just need to continue to strengthen your image even further. But if your image is generally negative, you have a lot of work to do. You need to start rebuilding your image again. How about you? What is your strategy to accelerate your career progression? Please write down in the comment section below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefit. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.